Hi, this is Max from JSoft, and today we're going to provide more information on our roadmap for Q1 and beyond. In this series, the goal is to showcase our upcoming features for Sales CRM, our automation-powered CRM for Jira. So we'll go over the roadmap to explain what we'll be working on in the future, the use case that we want to tackle, and the overall picture of where we want Sales CRM to be. If you're not too familiar with us, JSoft is an Atlassian marketplace vendor with more than 10 apps published on the Atlassian marketplace, with our latest app being Sales CRM, and that is also going to be the focus of our roadmap update. As a disclaimer, please keep in mind that this is still fairly early in the process, and as a result, the features, the timing, and the mockups can and will change as we work on them more. You can also influence where we're heading by letting us know what you would like to see in Sales CRM. Before we start on the features we want to release for Q1, we wanted to have a quick debrief on the things we've delivered last year. It has been an awesome 2024 for us. We launched Sales CRM in early January and made tons of improvements on its usability, constantly bridging the gap between traditional CRMs and ours. You can see a history of all the improvements that we've done throughout the year, but here's a quick list on your screen to highlight some of these elements. For the year to come, there are many things that we want to achieve. However, for now, we only have concrete plans for Q1. Let's talk about what we have planned for the quarter. Better Jira integration. We want to take advantage of the fact that we're in Jira, which means spreading how you can use Sales CRM in your normal day-to-day operations. We are still polishing how we want the final look to look like, but here are elements that we want to focus on. First, we want to improve and rework the information displayed in the issue view and the way that it is being used in Sales CRM. Right now, we believe that there is still a lot of untapped potential when it comes to how the CRM information fuels an issue view. A great use case for this could be when doing support tickets and having more information on the client. Secondly, we want Sales CRM data to be more widely available for your daily Jira use. This means being able to use some elements of Sales CRM data as Jira custom fields. This could be information like an account, a contact, or a deal, which could be used in conjunction with other Jira data. For example, being able to quickly know who the point of contact is on the client side for a project. Speaking of data, we also want to work on increasing visibility on Sales CRM data. We have plans on providing the Sales CRM dashboard gadget to Jira as dashboard widgets. This way, manager could see the status of things without needing to hop on Sales CRM. Finally, there are other points that we want to improve on. 1. We want to add Jira notifications. We think it's a quick way of providing visibility to changes to a pipeline and alert users that some actions might be required. 2. We want to look into adding additional permission to Sales CRM, mostly on who can do what. To be transparent, we are possibly going to hold off this one until we hear more feedback on permission and permission needs. Parent-child relationship is another big thing that we want to look into. This has been requested by our users and is something that is seen on traditional CRMs like Hubspot and others. It's the idea that the information gets summed up on a higher tier. In this parent-child relationship, we would have account at the very top, contact in the middle, and deal at the very bottom, meaning that information made on a deal would show to the related contact and the linked account. We think that this way, a better picture can be seen from a client's perspective, and this should help when multiple deals and contacts are all connected to a single client. As a result, you will be able to link multiple objects from Sales CRM to one another in order to keep track of these objects more easily and navigate quickly between them. In our future versions, we will want to introduce the idea of linking multiple Confluent pages, so stay tuned for that. Sales CRM for Confluence is a response to market needs. We want to explore the idea of creating a dedicated CRM for Confluence. There are already a couple of tools that do just that on the Atlassian marketplace, so we want to offer Sales CRM there as well and see what the market response is to that. Something interesting that comes out of this is how we can later look into better integrating the content and data from Sales CRM Confluence into Sales CRM Jira, but that later portion will be something for another day. Finally, the big thing that we want to look into is the start of our migration journey to Forge. Atlassian has recently announced an eventual end of life to the Connect framework, which is what we currently use. As a result, we see ourselves looking to explore how we can migrate our app to Forge. This is most likely going to be ongoing throughout the year, but if we foresee a future on Atlassian, then this is a step that we need to make happen. We estimate that migrating to Forge will be quite the undertaking, so do expect our roadmap for the year to be slightly less ambitious as a result. With these 4 main elements for our Q1 roadmap, we hope that enough overview is provided to give you a good enough understanding of where we'll be allocating our effort for the remainder of Q1. As you can tell, we haven't really gone into what's left for the year simply because there are so many moving pieces that Robert and I are looking into. So until we have a better idea on what we want to deliver, take it easy. Bye-bye.